Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find the general management. Now let's tap on date and time, which is right here, and as you can see we do not have a lot of options to customize. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and time zone they are network provided. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see right now we can freely tap on, for example, set date, and we can pick it from this calendar. So let me pick randomly this one, tap on done. It will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. Right here, just by swiping, we can set the time we want to use. Tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on the region, and here you will be transferred to the full list of available regions. So just find it or simply enter it here and pick the one you'd like to set. Let me randomly pick this one, South Southern. So we can go back as it was applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It did not change because of the region I've just chose, but let me show it to you. Maybe this one. As you can see, we've got the Maldives set and the time is different. Alright, so right here we've got also the option which is connected with the format of the hour of the clock. So currently we are using 12-hour format, and in order to set the 24-hour one, just tap on this and the switcher right here, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Alright, so basically this is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course we can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers and it will be immediately set. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.